sis, let me show you how to get your puff to look like this. Okay, y'all, this camera, I think the camera isn't doing my puff justice. Okay, so sis, if you want your puff to look like this, stay tuned. Okay, because we're gonna get our puffs popping. Okay, it's puff season. Puff season. Okay.
Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dream pulling up, I'm like
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, your girl is coming to you with another hair tutorial. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Just to let you know, I am now almost a year and a half natural. It's been a year and a half since I did the big chop, and my hair is literally growing so much right now. This is my puff, something like this. Really cute, really cute. I like it. But today, this tutorial is about pulling this bad baby into a cute little puff. I just learned how to do this, and I want to show you guys how I'm going to get the cute puff. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is like really dry right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my water bottle here, and I'm just going to push my hair back and just wet the perimeter, the part that I'm going to be putting product on. And this is the part I'll be brushing. And so I don't really like to brush or comb my hair when it's dry. So I'm just giving it a little water to get it a little damp. So if you ever want to do a puff on completely stretched out hair, it doesn't work. You want to do this on hair that has been in a twist out for a couple days, or like, you know, when your curls are looking kind of dingy, you know, you want to just change up your look. This is the time you want to go ahead and push it into a puff, because if your hair is fully stretched, like, your puff just won't look right. It just won't. It will not look right. So alright, now that my hair is damp, first I'm going to go in with my black castor oil, you know, a dime size, maybe a quarter size, you know, however much moisture your hair needs. And I'm just going to apply that to my curls and also my perimeter, just to make sure my curls are looking kind of juicy, you know. Now I'm going to be going in with this olive oil smooth and hold pudding. It has coconut oil in it. It's almost like a moisturizer. Whenever I was younger, my mom, my grandmother, they always use like the pink moisturizer or like the Live moisturizer. So to me, this is what this reminds me of. I'm just going to go into it and grab like that much. And I'm also going to put that around my perimeter, like so. Now I'm going to go in with my Demons brush. It's dirty, forgive me, but this is what I need to use for this. And I'm just going to start by really kind of like combing the hair in the direction that I want it to go in, making sure it's really smooth, like that. Okay, it's forming, it's coming together. I know you guys see it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Cantu Edge Control for natural hair. It has like a really strong hold. Lately, this is what I'm liking for my edges, just to give it that really sleek look, you know. We like pressing it in there. And as you can see, it's already like giving the sleek look. Now I'm going to go in with my hard brush and just brush that in completely. Look at my leg kitchen. I know y'all see it. Legs to the gods. My edges are popping. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Get y'all some Cantu, okay? Now, I know a lot of people do this differently with different things. Some people use the little skinny headbands. For me, I'm going to be using this satin head wrap that I got from the 99-cent store, I believe. It has, I don't know if you can see, it has satin on this side and it's like fabric on this side. Alright, so I'm just going to get it in position like so. Push it up a little. Press it back. Like this. All the hair out of the way. Then I'm going to tie it like that. And just bring it up as I am making it tighter. Like that. Like so. Ooh, look at this puff, okay? Look at my puff. Isn't it freaking perfect? Look how perfect it is. Yeah? Edges are laid, kitchen is laid. So you just kind of want to adjust it to however tight you want it and like however big or small you want your puff. Then I'm going to take the ends, wrapping it around like this, tying it, and then just tucking the ends in. And then pulling the hair out. Like that. Boom. A puff, a puff, puff. Alright, so now I have a puff and a little Botox. I like my puffs tight, guys, so you just do it to your liking and however tight you like it. But for me, this works. Super sleek, waves is popping in the front. Now for the last step, I want my baby hairs to be popping, right? So I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy toothbrush that's also dirty. Y'all forgive me, okay? I do my hair every day. I don't have time to be cleaning these utensils that I'm using, but it still gets the job done. And honestly, I find that whenever my hard brush, whenever it has more hair in it, I know this is disgusting, but whenever it has more hair in it, it's harder, so it performs better in getting those edges laid and the kitchen together. Anyway, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this on here. Just gonna go into the baby hairs. Ooh, giving it a nice little swoop. Little sideburn action. Like that. I have a weird hairline, so I can't give myself baby hairs like everyone else around the world, so I have to fake it till I make it. Oh, I actually like this side better, so I'm gonna take this side, try to imitate. Okay, these edges, each side, they're sisters, okay? They're not twins, so they don't have to be identical. You know, just as long as your edges are laid, you know, that's all that matters. And then, like that. I hope y'all feeling this puff. I really hope y'all feeling this puff because it's super cute. I'm gonna pop on my hoops because I feel like a high puff is just not a high puff until you add earrings, you know what I'm saying? Just add my hoops in there. Boom. Okay? Boom. It's a look, sister. Okay? I hope you guys are feeling this hair puff, okay, that by the way is laid to the gods. You want to look at the kitchen. Kitchen is laid. Edges is laid, honey, okay, and the puff is to die for. I hope you guys like this short mini tutorial, and I hope your puff is popping, okay? So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below and talk to me, okay? Talk to your girl, okay? I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.